Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
We are fine. And you?
Fine, thank you. Today we shall discuss some grammar on use of a preposition. Right? The questions that are published by Orissa BSc Board in the book named what? Parikha Darpana. Let's begin with the question number 1. He sat dash the table to write a letter. Which is correct? A. At. Could understand? Particular place, particular time, always at lagivo. Next. We rested dash a tree. Number 2. Tell me. Under a tree. Right? Under, below, over, above. So under means tole. Next one is come and sit by me or beside me. Which is correct? Number 3. Tell me. B. B is correct.
Yes.
ମୋ ପାଖରେ ବସେ. Could understand? ମୋ ପାର୍ଶ୍ୱରେ ବସେ. Right? Next one is water freezes at particular time means at ଲାଗିଯିବ. At C. 4 C. Yes. Next, Suman went to school days a scooty by on with by in. Which is correct?
Number A.
On. Right? Next one is we must we must take care dash our environment of on to with. Which is correct? A. Of. Take care of. Stop throwing stones. Dash the dog, please. At the dog. 7.
Yes.
Yes. Particular place ହେଇଗଲା ମାନେ particular point ହେଲେ ବି that is at. 8. The work should be finished dash Sunday. Sudha. By. C is correct.
Yes.
It is C is correct. By. ବୋଲେ सोमवार ସୁଦ୍ଧା ସରିବା ଦରକାର. No, this is by is correct. Right? Next one is distribute these books. Distribute these books dash two sisters. Two sisters means between. If it is more than 2, that is among. So between. ମଧ୍ୟରେ among means ମଧ୍ୟରେ, between means ମଧ୍ୟରେ. But 2ରୁ ଅଧିକ ଜଣ ଅଛନ୍ତି ବୋଲେ ସେଇଟା among ଲାଗିବ. 2 ଜଣ ଅଛନ୍ତି ବୋଲେ between ଲାଗିବ. ଏଇଟା 2 sisters, so between ଆଉ. Correct answer is here. Next one is father is not dash home now. At home. That is 10.
Number B.
Number B. At home. Right. Next one is she was born dash Mumbai. Mumbai is a big place. It is not a particular place. So in is correct. Number 11 in.
Number B.
Number A is correct. Right. Next one is 12. He peeled the vegetable. Peeled will chopa chhodaiba. Could understand? Peeled means chopa chhodaiba. He peeled the vegetables dash a knife. With a knife. Correct answer is with a knife. Could understand? जोटारे कटा जाए ताको विथ कराछु. We see with our nose. We hear with our ears. Could understand? Next one. We see with our nose. Does we see with our nose? Why did you say yes? Idiot. We see with our eyes. Could understand or not? I said you agreed. What is this? You are a fool. I am also a fool. Aren't we? We see with our eyes. Could understand? Next one is that is the traveler was struck dash lighting struck with lightning 13. Number 13 is, tell me.
Number B.
B. That is by. That is by. Could you understand? Next one is the train days time 14. That is on time. On time. एनी टाइम बेले कौन बुझे ना ठीक निर्दिष्ट समय पूर्वर ऑन टाइम बेले ठीक ठीक से समय रे नेदर बिफोर नेदर आफ्टर सो नेदर बिफोर सो नेक्स्ट आइटम इज दैट इज 15. द मैन हैज बीन सफरिंग फ्रॉम फीवर. सफरिंग इज ऑलवेज फॉलोड बाय फ्रॉम. ओके. Next, the poor man asked Days for help. So 16 for help. Pai ask for magiba. Next one is don't stay there days o'clock beyond on at in. So athda por out to rounu. Could understand? ସେଇଠି 8ଟା ପର ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ରହୁ ନାହିଁ ତ right answer is beyond. Beyond means for. So which is correct? 17. A is correct. Next one is do it yourself. Do it yourself. It by yourself. Do it by yourself. Tu nije nije da karo. Okay. Correct answer is 18. B.
Number B.
B. Right. This one. Do it by. Okay, we shall give. Okay. Next one is Puri is the days of Puri is days the Bay of Bengal. At on 19. A. It's wrong. Wait. On is correct. Could understand? Our आमे कौचे our village is on the bank of river Ruskulia, तट प्रदेश अवस्थित सिंधी बंगोपसागर कूल अवस्थित on. Next one is that is we did it dash mistake. By mistake भूल रे कर देले. Yes 21 20 A. Right. Next one is he fell dash bike on up to from. So fell the bike ru पड़ गला off है जो. He fell up the bike. Which is correct? B is correct. B. Okay. Next one is I would prefer to work days as a factory. I would prefer to work days on a factory or in a factory. Which is correct?
Number
A. In a factory. Right? तार गोटे घोड़नी अच्छी ता भितर आम कम करिया सो इन इज करेक्ट. ऑन बेले ता ऊपर फैक्ट्री ऊपर छात उपर सालो ई वर्क काम करिया इनसाइड द फैक्ट्री और ऑन द फैक्ट्री. व्हिच इज करेक्ट? आमे स्कूल इन दी स्कूल ना ऑन दी स्कूल ऊपर छात ऊपर बही पढ़िया सालो वी रीड और इनसाइड.
inside.
Could understand? So in is correct. Next. Who is there? That's the door. Particular place at the door. That is 23. Tell me.
B.
B. Yes. Next one is that is it rained. It rained what? For 3 days. For 3 days. A 24A. Correct.
Yes.
Next one is Piyush talked to his friend. Okay, correct answer is by on with to on.
Number B.
B on is correct. On is correct. Sometimes over is correct. As over is not given, on is correct. Mitali paid the bill credit card. Mitali paid the bill by credit card on by with in which is correct? No, 26. 26B, that is by credit card. Credit card रे पैसा टा पैठ कला. Next one is the second world war ended in. This is year, so right preposition is year. It is no, with is wrong. In is correct, right? Particular time means at. Could understand? Lengthy time means in. Lengthy place means in. Next 28. I saw the accident days my own eyes, with my own eyes. Could understand? 28 with or in B. 28 B with. We see with our eyes. Could understand? Okay. The man died. The man died days of hunger. So which is correct? Of the man 29 of the man. Yes, A. Next one is don't interfere. Days my privacy. More privacy re to in my privacy. Right answer is B. ମୋ କଥାରେ ମୁଣ୍ଡ ଖେଳାନା ମୋର ବ୍ୟକ୍ତିଗତ କଥାରେ ମୁଣ୍ଡ ଖେଳାନା. So next answer is next question is that is the table is full of books. Could understand? The table is full of books. 31 B.
B.
Yes. Next. He is working days a farm on in at from which is correct?
On a farm.
On a farm, right.
Farm.
There is a bridge dash the river. Over. C is correct. Right. ऊपर ब्रिज ऊपर नदी नदी ऊपर ब्रिज अच्छी नदी ऊपर ब्रिज अच्छी. अच्छा नदी की लागिक अच्छी लागिक थे अन्न कहवा छाड़िकी थे उबेर कहवा एवं मुंड उपर बाल अच्छी लागिक अच्छी ना नहीं. सो हेयर आई वी हैव हेयर ऑन आवर हेड लागिक अच्छी. Next one is the boy is learning dash the wall. The boy is leaning well आउ जे अच्छी. So against ताऊ ठेली टाइगी रही था जो. Okay, that is against
D.
विपरीत. D is correct. Okay, next one is tell me the man fell the horse off.
Fell off.
ये हुआ A 35A, right? Next one is we are going to Kolkata dash the New Year on New Year's Day. Day आइला दिन आसला माने on लागियो. Which is 36? Tell me A or 36? C. 36 C. 36 C. So D is by. So 36 C at.
At the new year.
But it should be on. कहीं आमे कलिकता से दिन जब ना एटेटा लगे कौन हो पार्टिकुलर समय हो दशहरा अन्न दशहरा दशहरा दिन एट दशहरा जो पूजा मुहूर्तटा बुझाऊँचे लिव इट इट्स गिवेन बाय एट इज गिवेन से लिव इट. ओके but it should be on.
On.
हाँ. Katak is dash the Mahanadi, on Mahanadi. ନଦୀ ଉପରେ ଅଛି, ନଦୀ କୂଳରେ ଅଛି, ନଦୀ ଉପରେ ମଧ୍ୟ ନାହିଁ, ତାକୁ ଲାଗିକି ଅଛି କି ନଦୀ ଭିତରେ ଗାଁ ରହୁଛି କି ରେ? ସୋ ରାଇଟ୍ ଆନ୍ସର ଇଜ୍ ଅନ୍ 37 ବି ରାଇଟ୍ ବି ସରି ଡି ବାଇ ମିଷ୍ଟେକ୍ ବି ଓକେ. ନେକ୍ସଟ ୱାନ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଦ ଟ୍ରେନ୍ ଆରାଇଭ୍ଡ ଆଟ୍ ଦି ଷ୍ଟେସନ୍ ଇନ୍ ଟାଇମ୍.
On time.
On time, correct time ହେଇଗଲା. So which is correct? D is correct. 38
Yes.
on time. Next, the lady paid the bill dash by cash. The lady paid the bill by cash. In case or by cash, which is correct? 39 D, in case. In case, by credit card, right? Next one is the woman died of cancer or from cancer, which is correct? 40 C, of cancer, right? Of cancer. Next 41 this shirt is
On.
this shirt is for sale or on sale, which is correct? 41
On sale.
on sale. 41 that is
C.
C. Okay. Next one is that is my study table is made of wood. Made from or made up?
Made of.
Made up. From କେତେବେଳେ ଲାଗିବ ଜାଣିଛ ନା? ସେଇଟାର ଆଉ ମାନେ ଫିଜିକାଲ ଅର କିଛି କ୍ୟାରେକ୍ଟରିଷ୍ଟିକ୍ସ ରହିବନି, ସେ ପୁରା କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ୍ ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସଫର୍ମ ହେଇଯିବ, ରୂପାନ୍ତରଣ ହେଇଯିବ. ଏଇଠି ଯେଉଁ ଉଡ଼୍ରେ ହେଇଛି, କାଠଟା କାଠ ହେଇକିରି ଅଛି ଆଜ୍ଞା.
Milk ରୁ ପନିର.
ହଁ, ଏଣୁକରି ଆମେ ସେଇଠି ଇଏ ଅଫ୍ ଲେଖିବା. ନେକ୍ସଟ, ଡୁ ୟୁ ଏଗ୍ରି ଡେସ୍ ମାଇ ପ୍ରପୋଜାଲ ବିଥ୍ ମାଇ ପ୍ରପୋଜାଲ, ମାନେ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତି ବିଥ୍ ମି ହେବ, କିନ୍ତୁ ଟୁ ମାଇ ପ୍ରପୋଜାଲ ବୋଲେ ହେଇଯିବ. ଯଦି ପର୍ସନ୍ ହେଇଥିଲେ ବିଥ୍ ଲାଗିବ, ନହେଲେ ଟୁ ହେଇଯିବ. ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ 43 ସି 2 ରାଇଟ୍. ଏଇଠି ଯଦି ବିଥ୍ ମି ହେଇଥିଲେ ବିଥ୍ ଲାଗିଥାନ୍ତା. ନେକ୍ସଟ ୱାନ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଷ୍ଟୁଡେଣ୍ଟସ୍ ସୁଡ୍ କନସେଣ୍ଟ୍ରେଟ୍ ଡେସ୍ ଷ୍ଟଡିଜ୍. କନସେଣ୍ଟ୍ରେଟ୍ ମନ ଏକାଠି କରିବା, ଅନ୍. ନେକ୍ସଟ ୱାନ୍ ଇଜ୍ the boy has been ill days fever for about a week from fever. 45 D with. From is not given, so it is with. Could understand? D is correct. Next one is my mother put the plates dash the cupboard in over at D, which is correct? In which is correct? 46 A. Next one is his brother worked dash a farm on a farm. 47
B.
on a farm, but in a factory. On a farm in a factory. এটা କୁଆଡ଼େ କୁହାଯାଏ ଫାର୍ମ ବୋଲେ, ବୁଝିପାରୁଛ ନା? ଆର ଉପରେ ଆଉ ଛାତ ନାହିଁ. ଧନ୍ୟ ଯଦି ତୁମେ କ୍ଷେତରେ କାମ କରୁଛ, ସେ ଉପରେ କ'ଣ ଗୋଟେ ଛାତଟି ପଡ଼ିଛି? ବଟ୍ ଫ୍ୟାକ୍ଟ୍ରିଟା ଇଜ୍ ହାଉସ୍ଡ. କୁଡ଼ା ନିଶ୍ଚୟ ଫାର୍ମ ଇଜ୍ ନଟ୍ ହାଉସ୍ଡ. ଦ ନେକ୍ସଟ ୱାନ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଦ ମେନ୍ ଇଜ୍ ସିଟିଂ ଡେସ୍ ମାଇ ଲେଫ୍ଟ ଟୁ ବାଇ ଏଟ୍ ଅନ୍ ବାଇ
By my left.
48. Which is correct? Tell me.
Number B.
Number B is correct. Thank you. That's like a good girl. Sorry, good boy.
boy.
Good boy. You are a boy, right?
Yes.
Because you are Vasudeva Mahapatra.
Vasudev sir.
Vasudeva Sahu, right? 100% sure.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. The girl threw a ball dash her friend. Threw a ball at her friend. So correct answer is no, it is not given. A, 2, before, against, on, which is correct? 49.
2.
2. ଏଇଟା କ'ଣ ହେଲା ଜାଣିଛ ନା? ଆଡ଼କୁ ଫୋପାଡ଼ିଲା, ବଲ୍ଟା ବାସୁଦେବ threw the ball to ବଳରାମ ବଳରାମ ଆଡ଼କୁ ଫୋପାଡ଼ିଲା କିନ୍ତୁ ଏଟେ ଲାଗିଲା ବେଳେ କ'ଣ ହେବ କୁକୁର ଉପରକୁ ଫିଙ୍ଗିଲା ମାନେ ଆଟାକ୍ କରିବା ଅର୍ଥରେ ଏଇଟା ପ୍ଲେଇଂ ଅର୍ଥରେ ଆସିଗଲା ରାଇଟ୍ ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ୟୁ ଓକେ ନେକ୍ସଟ ୱାନ୍ ଇଜ୍ ବାସୁଦେବ ଇଏ ସିଏସ୍ ବିଥ୍ ହିଜ୍ ଆଇସ୍ ରାଇଟ୍
Yes.
ଅର୍ ନୋଜ୍ which is correct
Ice.
you see with your nose
No.
then
Ice.
ice right thank you question number 50 there is a label dash the medicine bottle at on with over label थाउची medicine bottle ऊपर थाउची ना रे ऊपर लगी थाउची ऊपर means on so right answer is on could understand right answer is on
Number B.
B 51 question number 51 that is Rama Babu is waiting
For
for the bus no bus stop at the bus stop se jagare particular jagare so right answer is which is the correct answer 51 to C is the correct next one is next we should reach school days time by at before any time that is any time
in time.
yes next one is they will arrive here days 10 minutes on for at in 10 minutes 53 that is D right next one is we cut the apple with a knife cut with right with a knife on by with 2 which is correct 54C
54C.
54C next 54C next one is my father is watching news dash TV on TV right 55B on TV ऊपर देखुचंदी this is wrong by mistake it is ticked up okay on TV next one is you should know you do knock at the door knock means खट खट करिबा right what did I say खट खट करिबा knock at the कराघात करिबा so on in with at which is correct at is correct at is correct 56 tell me D
Number
D yeah next one is I do agree to your proposal that is 57 tell me A ghee is made tell no आप हो गले पूरा तार रही होगी घीटा पूरा तार रूपांतरण हो जाଉଛି so made from ghee is made from milk which is correct 58 tell me C okay आप भी तो बुझी पालु गोटे next one is don't be disappointed dash your failure tell me with your failure or which is correct 59 tell me C what did I say C with your failure next one is 60 he threw a stone dash it dog here at right number B with this that is the end of today's grammar class we shall discuss other grammar points in your next class till then bye thank you
It's okay.